This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, skylight, stove top burner, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, TV, smoke detector, Colorado detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.